Meaning of ecosystem.
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 Ecosystem. An ecosystem refers to a community of living and non-living things that interact with one another in a particular space. These interactions form a complex web of relationships that are vital for the ecosystem's sustainability. Ecosystems can be aquatic or terrestrial, natural or man-made. They provide numerous benefits, including regulating the climate, purifying air and water, providing food and resources, and supporting biodiversity. When ecosystems are damaged or destroyed, it can have far-reaching consequences, including the loss of habitats, extinction of species, and disruption of crucial ecological processes.